guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs. How to use Google Docs is pretty simple. So here in your Google, all you have to do is the top right corner and then locate Google Docs. So it's right here. So you press Google Docs and now it's gonna do a blank document. So I'm not gonna show my notes there, for example. So here Google Docs is just like Microsoft Word, but basically this has cloud saving basically. So you can start right here. So this will show up in your account in your drive easily in the start. So it's gonna automatically save. As you can see, it's saving the document. You want to entitle your document always, so sample document, for example. And then from there, here you can do meeting notes, email draft, and more. So this is just some templates that's ready for you to be done if you don't want to go through the hassle of making one yourself. So here you have your text, you have your bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, and subscript, and many much more. So you have your alignment, of course, just like Google Word, Microsoft Word, of course. So you have modes right here. You have your editing, suggestion, and viewing. So when you're editing, you can edit the document directly. Suggesting, you can highlight a certain word like this, and then you can add some comments, add emoji reactions, and suggest edits to this if you're working as a team. So if to work as a team, basically just share this and then basically just go ahead and anyone with link, copy the link and share to whoever else you need to share to. So from there you can also edit and do the undo, redo stuff, paste without formatting, select all, and find and replace. So here you can also download this as Word, ODT, RTF, PDF, TXT, and HTML, and many much more. So you can also see your version history in case you deleted a part that you don't want and you don't have the capacity to use Control Z or Command Z, I mean. So you can check it out there in the versions, and you can add extensions if you have to. So there you go guys, that's a quick recap on how to use your Google Docs. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.